So, sorry about the flashing. Okay, so a little while ago, we did a one-step conversion problem. We went kilograms to grams. That is, we went from one of the prefixes to a base unit. Grams, meters, liters, those are base units, or at least that's the name that textbooks give them. I forgot to say a little while ago that just having a line like this and a line like this is what you will often see in problems. I don't know if I'm going to stick to doing it this way or the other way because different students come in with teachers doing it different ways, and I don't want to confuse anybody. Okay, so let's say that we had 349 grams and we need to go to kilograms. So we're going to put that 349 grams over 1 to turn it into a fraction. And then we're going to multiply by a fraction. Grams are in the numerator, so I put grams down here in the denominator. And I happen to bring my colored pencils. Can't really tell that that's green. Okay, and then we can go from grams to kilograms, and I know that because we are going from a base unit to a prefix, and we have this table. So I am going to go to kilograms. 1 kilogram equals 10 to the third grams. And we also have it written up here from the last problem. So 1 will go next to the kilo, and then 10 to the third will go next to the gram. Now, students, when they first learn this, they think, oh, the 1 always goes on bottom, or the 1 always goes on top. That is not the case. The 1 goes with where the prefix is. The 10 raised to whatever power goes with the base. So if we were to do it the way some teachers do it, we'd draw a line here and a line here. They mean the same thing. But grams in the numerator cancel with grams in the denominator, leaving us with kilograms. To put it into the calculator, I'm going to do an open parenthesis, multiply everything across the top, close parenthesis, divide, open it back up, multiply everything across the bottom, and then close it back up. And I'll show you this with my my little computer calculator here in a second. I do want to say that a lot of students will go with shortcuts and just say this number divided by this number, which is fine as long as you never get confused and you always get the answer right. But a lot of you who are seeking help are here because you maybe do have a bit of a tendency to get confused. And so at least until you become proficient at this, it's a good idea to just do this steadfast, surefire way to enter it into the calculator correctly and open it up, multiply, close it, divide, open it up, multiply, close it, hit enter. Your choice. Okay, so I am going to bring up the calculator and move the camera. So here we are, and this is going to be shaky because I have no fancy equipment. This is just my phone. All right, so let me find my cursor. I'm going to clear the last problem stuff. Okay, if you happen to write down along with me the problem, then you'll see, oops, I didn't open it up. Open parenthesis, and you'll see that we had 349 times 1, close parenthesis, divide, open parenthesis, 1 times 10 raised to the third power. And notice it's still up high in exponent land, so I'm going to hit this to bring it back down. And then close parenthesis and enter. And before I hit enter, I want to say that some teachers will teach you to do this differently. I'm just doing it this way for now until I want to try and steady this camera. I'm just going to do it this way for now until I see a bunch of students whose teachers make them do it the other way. All right, and then I'm going to hit enter. Here we go. All right. You know, I have this set in scientific notation. I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to get out of there. Mode, and then Scientific is highlighted, so I'm going to arrow over to normal and hit enter. And now normal is highlighted, see? And then I'm going to hit second mode to quit, because quit's in blue. And now we can get a regular answer. So both of them should be counted correctly by your teachers. But we've got 0.349. 0.349 grams. We started out with 3 sig figs. We're ending up with 3 sig figs. That is a leading zero, and so never, ever, ever counts, no matter what decimal there or not. Okay, I talk kind of quickly because if my phone records a video that's too long, it just won't upload. So please remember that you can go to settings in the lower right-hand corner and you can alter the playback speed. All right, see you in the next one.